is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
There's this absolutely beautiful place called Westonia between Southern Cross and Merredin, and about 10 kilometres north of the highway. It's absolutely stunning. They have done it up like old town, as you can see from the fascias of the walls, and they've got all these cute little tin huts and things that they're just everywhere. They're strewn all over the little town. There's so cute little sheep going through the gate. And lots of old machinery as well, which was quite nice to see. And just sort of like staged as if, you know, the guys just run in to get a delivery or something. It's really, really sweet. And people were lovely. They had an amazing aquatic centre there. I had taken to going for a swim in the afternoons, and I hadn't realised the sky was like that until I'd stopped and looked up, and I was like, whoa, hang on, that was blue not so long ago. Westonia, and the storm is coming over. But check this out, like this is all the clouds getting sucked up into that big black cloud. It's incredible. There's another one over here, look. Where is it? Can't find it on my screen. Yeah, there. Well, it's there. You can't really see it on the screen, but it's like a big rain cloud. Now the wind's picking up. That's insane. It was quite nice here about 5 minutes ago. I think I better walk home. Look at that. It's only 3:30 in the afternoon. Epic. Surrounded by it. When I got back to the van, this is the left side, and literally I turned around and took a photo on the right side. Unbelievable. Yeah. The weather's really weird. It's very, very still. That's scary stuff. Absolutely black. Isn't anything there? Actually, what's it like around the corner? Wow. That's crazy. I got on the internet and had a look at the radar, and I was like, okay. That's just 5 minutes after I took that last video, and then I just had like a really, really dust stormy thing come through. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna pray now. Nothing else I can do. Alright. I turned some real-time footage into time-lapse just to show you how fast the clouds were moving. And I think the real time was about 9 minutes. Then, yeah, after that it started raining and thundering. Have a listen to this one. Would you like to show all the boys and girls out there what you did? Are you sorry for what you did? Show them? What are you going to show them? Show them what you did. Yeah, no. What about that one? What about this one here? You're trying to escape. Emmie, no. What should we do with you? believe how like fresh the air is here. It's like 28 degrees today. It's pretty warm, but not too mega warm. But God, the air is different. Maybe it's just my fumes that are contaminating the world right now. But it feels nice out here. Okay, shall we get back in the truck? Say hello. Yeah, okay, here she goes. That's what she does. That's why I have pieces missing of my sunglasses. Yeah, look at you. Butter wouldn't melt in your mouth, would it? No. Okay, gotta go. She's gonna, I don't know what she's gonna do. She's gonna have a little party in my hair. Oh, okay. All right, bye. When I left Westonia, I started on a drive called the Granite Loop. And it's basically a whole bunch of rock formations throughout the Yanni Mooning Nature Reserve, I believe it's called. I don't remember the name of this particular rock, but I did climb it, which I was really happy about. I climbed it a quarter of the way and got some absolutely beautiful footage, so enjoy. Okay, I'm a little lost. Well, actually I'm not lost. My sat nav ran out of, satellites, and it just said keep going. So I kept going. But you know what is really bizarre is I feel like I'm coming out of a movie scene, and I think it's Castaway with Tom Hanks. So I'm gonna film it and see how it compares to what he was doing, because I'm like out in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Just further along the Granite Trail was Elachbutting Rock. There was absolutely no reception here. This is where I had my castaway moment. So I couldn't get any drone footage, but it was a very pretty rock. But I tell you what, it was a little bit creepy. I was quite happy to be out of there, to be honest. Anyway, that ends the video for this week, and I'll just leave you with this gorgeous little sculpture that I found on the side of the highway, out in the middle of absolutely nowhere. It's apparently some guy's racehorse. Coming up next on Vamped Van Chronicles, I take you down to the southern coast of Western Australia and show you some of the most beautiful beaches I have ever laid eyes on. It's a treasure. You really should watch this one. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday.